In this video, I'm going to show you how to register warranty for Duroflex Mattress. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and then here in this bottom section in the top right you can see it says support and then warranty registration. So just click on that and then it's going to take you to a separate page here where you can basically register your purchase. And as you can see here, you want to type in your name, phone number, your product type here for which you want to do mattresses, of course, and then your product name as well, your warranty period, and then your purchase date, and then the PIN code as well. And then here you can of course choose the files to upload the invoice image, and here you can then just basically agree to everything and then click on submit. And when you've done this, then you've successfully registered for warranty on your Duroflex mattress. Now if you have any questions, there's this frequently asked questions down here at the bottom, or of course you could also call them and they will help you out with your case. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.